Ninja thirsty, not dispensing water? Fix it fast. If you press start on your Ninja Thirsti and nothing comes out, no fizz, no flavor, no water, don't panic. Here's what to check first. Step 1. Make sure the water reservoir is filled and seated correctly. Pull the reservoir off and double check it's filled with cold filtered water. Then reinstall it with the markings facing forward and press down until it's fully docked. If it's misaligned, the system won't dispense anything. Step 2. Check for airlock or pressure buildup. If you just refilled the tank or ran it dry, an air bubble might be blocking flow. Lift the tank up slightly, then press it back down firmly. This helps break the seal and reset internal pressure. Step 3. Clean under the rubber valve. Turn the reservoir over and check the rubber valve underneath. If it's sticky or clogged, water won't release. I've linked the soft bottle brush I use below. It reaches into that recessed valve without damaging it and clears out gunk fast. Step 4. Run a no-flavor test. Try dispensing a 12-ounce still water with no flavor selected. This removes any flavor pod or CO2 from the equation and confirms whether water is flowing. If it works here, the problem's probably with your flavor pod or carbonation. Step 5. Unplug and reseat everything. Unplug the machine, remove the water tank, and let it sit for 30 seconds. Then reinstall the tank, plug back in, and try again. If the display lights up and the start button responds, the system's ready. If this helped you fix your water flow and get the Thirsti running again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your valve was stuck or gunked up, I've linked the cleaning brush I use below. It's gentle, flexible, and safe for the seal under the tank. Thanks for watching, and stay hydrated.